Welcome to HardReset.info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HUAWEI 11i, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life. So firstly, you just need to disable all unnecessary features. So if you are using Wi-Fi and mobile data, disable one of these, disable location services, disable hotspot, NFC, disable HUAWEI Share and Bluetooth if you don't use it right now. Of course, then you need to enable low brightness mode. So open display brightness and reduce the brightness because screen is consuming a lot of battery power. You don't need to enable the dark mode because you have LCD screen, and LCD screen consuming battery power in the dark and light the same. So you don't need to enable dark mode if you don't like it. Then scroll down, find battery, and here you have power saving mode. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.